I received this product from the company looking for a review video. It's a solar panel pathway light. It's funny because it works perfectly because the lights I have are all low voltage ran, and my gardeners with their weed whackers are a little crazy and they've chopped most of my wires up, so at night it's complete dark. So this is a great timing to do a review video on these lights, because I've always thought about pathway solar panel lights or just solar panel lights in general. And I have used solar panels in the past, which maybe technology wasn't there yet, it just didn't work that well. So I'm looking forward to testing out this product to see exactly how it does, and if it does good, I'm gonna purchase more of these because they sent me 4 free charge for a review video. But my yard is huge and I definitely could use a lot more. So I'm hoping these work well, and we will find that out soon. So I'm gonna start to unbox this and go through what I see. Today is kind of a gloomy day, and it's been raining off and on the last couple of days. So I'm just gonna unbox it today, check out the product and see what it looks like, and you know, the quality of it and stuff. And then tomorrow I will go outside and put them in the ground and install it. Bad thing about solar is if there's no sun, you got no light. So let's see what's inside the box. Instructions. Packed pretty good here. Ooh. Really packed nice and tight. Shockproof. I'm sure if it gets dropped, it'll be safe. So I guess I'll just slide this over here for now. Get that away from the shadow. Two lights here. Glass, very nice. Solar panel right there. Let's see how this works. All right, well, let's put that here. Let's pull out the other one. There you go. It's gonna go like that. Then it'll go on the ground. Good quality here. Got aluminum, get your metal, plastic frame here. Nice looking product here. Looking forward to see what it looks like at nighttime. Pretty simple. Looks like an old Osram, which is not, but okay, so you pull this out when you're ready to activate the solar. You gotta remove the plastic when it's ready. Well, they look nice. I like it. Well, that's the unboxing of the product. Everything looks nice, looks good, good quality. I'm looking forward to seeing what it looks like. So let's go outside and put these bad boys in the ground. So I am going to put these in along my pathway going up to my front door.
since I only have 4 of them, I'm gonna put them all on one side, just because I'm just trying to light the path. Ideally, it'd be nice to have them on each side, but I think that we'll be fine with just one side. Now, as I read the instructions here, I don't really see anywhere where it says the placing of the lights. Like, should I put them 5 feet apart? Should I put them 3 feet apart? So I guess I'm just gonna put them in the ground right now and wait for the charge. It says it takes 8 hours to charge, to fully charge. And then wait till night and then see how it's lit. And then from there I can switch it around. Either I can make them farther apart or bring them closer together. These LEDs, it has 100,000 hours for this light. So that's a lot of hours. So it should be good for a while. Now, I'm gonna twist this off. There's that little tab. I'm gonna remove that. Which, I think I just did it. Put it back in. Find the grooves. And I think I'm just gonna put one right here, exactly where this. Fits pretty good. Okay. I'm gonna peel off this. Beautiful. So there's one. As you can see, it's really cloudy the last couple days, so it may take 2 days for it to charge since it needs 8 hours of direct sunlight. Sun comes over here, sets over there, so it will be in direct light. But the problem is with the clouds, I'm concerned that it's not going to get the full charge for tonight. So I guess we'll see how it works. I'll wait till I'll put these in, come back tonight and see if they're actually lit up. And if not, then we will wait till tomorrow night with hopes the sun is out. So here it is right here. Oh, actually, it goes in pretty well here. Okay, there's that. Set this here. Switch this off. Pull it off. Great. Okay. Next 6 feet right here. Goes. Take this off, take that out. There you have it. I did 6 feet apart. Just gonna wait for the sun to come out, charge these bad boys, and we'll come out at nighttime and see what it looks like. Stay tuned. I'm liking the lights. It's been overcast all day, so the sun hasn't even been out. and they're still lit up. I don't know what they'll look like if the sun actually comes out, and if they'll be a lot brighter. If that's the case, then I'm gonna definitely space them out more, because right now I have them 6 feet apart. But I'm loving them. It looks great. It's almost dark right now. The sun's going down. It's pretty much dark, as you can see the light above me. So it's not completely dark, but I think this is the golden hour to shoot the video. So I came outside and I saw they were on, and I was like, whoa, that's awesome, because I really thought that I'd have to wait till tomorrow night for these lights to be charged, because it says it needs a full 8 hours to charge. So maybe they're just on right now, and then they'll eventually go out like in an hour or two, just because it didn't get the fully charge that it needed. But I'm really liking it. It adds to the house, and yeah, I definitely want to buy more, because I have a lot of house and need more lights. So that's all I got for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. These lights were easy to put together, easy to install, and I'm definitely going to be buying more of these things, because I definitely like the way it looks, and it does light the pathway. So that's what matters, right? Till next time, I'll see you guys later. If you're interested in this product, see the link in the description.